Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word enclaves. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The small, ethnically diverse neighborhood in the city was known for its various cultural enclaves. Enclaves are areas within a larger region or community that have distinct characteristics, such as culture, ethnicity, religion, or social status. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.